This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Kathy Stouffer. Have you ever wanted to live on a golf course? Been searching for a home with a single-story floor plan? Maybe you've always just dreamed of having a 3-car garage? What if you could have exactly what you've been looking for? Whatcom County builder Jim Unruh built this home with solid quality and detailed craftsmanship. This one-owner home has been meticulously cared for. Quiet and private location off the 13th fairway, this home has excellent sun exposure. The light streams through this place. The yard has mature landscaping and is relatively easy to maintain. A real joy. Great layout, offers an excellent use of space / separate guest quarters / primary master, updated and kitchen with easy access to the deck. Single-story, great view, 3-car garage. Wow! For more information, review the details below.